You're looking for a set of scoons. Run off Alexa, Google, smartphone remote control application. We're going to show you how easy it is to install and assemble and demonstrate. From the makers of iYogaled LED comes an RGB CCT 2700 Kelvin through 6500 Kelvin smartphone application. 16 million colors. Check online for further details about the product. They come in 4 different types of shapes. So let's open up the box, show you what it looks like, and what we're going to do is install and show you in the evening hours in the front and back of the product. In a nice box, packaged and protected by foam, is going to be your lights with the instructions, hardware, and remote control. Each of the light will come with its own hardware, hanging bracket, and bulbs inside. Supply your own AAA batteries and your own smartphone. You can run the unit off of the remote control or the smartphone. Going over the remote control, we have a LED indicator on and off, a timer, a brightness plus, a dim minus, a warm, a cool, a night mode, and you have 5 other controls, 3000 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin, RGB and RGB recycles. On the remote control 2.4 gigahertz, you have the instruction guides that you can simply go over and how to set up your unit. The application is located on the manual to download. Grab your phone, QR symbol scanned, download the application known as SERP Life. The smart application can be reset to factory restore by turning off and on your light 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are reset by a flashing. In order to now open up the application, and what you're going to do is add a device. It'll find a device called bulb 5094. You're going to follow the information provided by allowing the application. Choose the network, enter the password. When your password is entered, it's going to run. You notice that the light's changing colors and it's looking for the device. When your device is set up, Wi-Fi matching the Wi-Fi of your smartphone and Bluetooth 5G and 5G, you're able to pick a room, name it, finish, and then adjust your light by lowering and raising the increment. You can add additional lights and more to the unit. The light to change its colors of different color designs. You have a warm light to a cool light from 27 to 6500 Kelvin and the amount of light. You have red, yellow, green, blue, purple, and so forth. You could turn off and on your product. You could hook it up to Alexa and Google, and you could choose different types of things. Breathing, twinkle, add music to it. Choose a season. You could come here and do tricolors, 5 colors, heartbeat, lighting, flames. Go to the preset settings, step changes, and more. If a bulb is burnt out, an Allen key is needed to change out. They supply you an Allen key. Test the unit to see if the bulb works. Inspect your unit to make sure that both bulbs light up. Find a location to hook your light up. You're going to take off the bracket that's in the back with your drill and your leads. You're going to lock down your bracket. Wire up and have your photocell facing the right way. Place back the nuts on, the bell housing nuts that is. When all done with your tests, pull off and the light shuts off during the day. Dusk to dawn, photocell, smartphone, remote control, and Alexis Google application is required. We're turning the light on in the evening hours. With the remote control, we have the night mode, and then we could brighten it up. We give the different modes, different colors, as you can see, flashing. And we could change it to any of the modes we want. Then we have the RGB mode that we could cycle through. And then go to the kelvins. Controlling it via the app, all the different colors we want. Cool, warm, lower the brightness, pick the lights, pick the moods, and run the programs. If you are interested in one of these products of the 4 models they make, you may check further online about the product. I hope this is something that you are looking for to dress up your landscape needs. By a poolside, by a gazebo, the back on the wall, anywhere imaginable. These Skoon lights may be something you are after in your lighting needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.